Benefits of rubber plant when you grow in the home. Hello, friends. Welcome to Natural Life Channel. The rubber plant is not only a low-maintenance outdoor plant. It can be grown indoors as well to beautify the home. And surprisingly, it has many benefits. If you have not seen the video titled, Best Position for Rubber Plant in Your Home, please watch this video. You will learn how to increase luck. Wealth and prosperity with rubber plant according to Feng Shui. Now come to the benefits of rubber plant as an indoor plant. Number 1, reduces indoor pollutants. Rubber plant can remove pollutants from the air such as formaldehyde, VOC, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. Number 2, no allergic properties. Rubber plant does not initiate an allergic reaction. As this plant does not produce bloom or fragrance, this makes the blunt a great choice for allergy and as small patients. Number 3, low maintenance blunt. The rubber plant is very easy to grow and care for. It still grows well on neglect and adapts in low light conditions and shade. Just keep the soil slightly moist. Water rubber plant weekly during its active growing season. That is spring and summer months. Number 4, inexpensive to grow. The rubber plant is not expensive, so you can buy them in your budget. Also, you can propagate it easily from cuttings and water with liquor. Pebbles for new plants within few months. Number 5, large leaves. Large leaves absorb indoor air pollutants efficiently due to the large surface area of the leaves. Number 6, large tropical houseplant. Rubber plants can grow quite tall, even in pots and doors, and look like trees. With its bold statement look, it brings tropical jungle feeling to your home. Number 7, Vaxi. Colorful foliage. Rubber plants have leathery, waxy glossy, large oval-shaped, dark green and colorful variegated leaves that you can easily clean. Number 5, Feng Shui. Good luck plant rubber bland helps to increase well. Prosperity and success if pleased in correct corner of your home. Now you know the benefits of having a rubber plant in your home. So buy one from your nearby nursery and take care of it to bring wealth and prosperity in your life. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you and thanks for your time.